Hi there, this is Lucas from Notte Labs, and today I'm actually very excited to announce the release of our CLI. So it's open source, it's available in this repository, and this is actually the best way right now to interact with the whole Notte ecosystem, especially if you're a heavy user of Cloud Code. And so we can use that to start a browser session, start our own agent within a single CLI. Let's actually get started. Let me start by adding the Notte skill. Very simple. Okay, there, and start a Cloud Code instance. So we're actually doing something simple. We're going to ask Cloud Code to go to our console and test the onboarding flow. Ask it to create a new persona and create a Chrome session. Open the session viewer once it is created. And use the Notte browser skill for this. Okay, and so now in the background, so Cloud Code is actually going to load the Notte skill. So it's something that we crafted especially for web automation. So it has a lot of knowledge on how to interact with web pages, what to do in different cases. So now you see Cloud Code prompted me to input my API key. And so it created the session, as you can see there. It's going to open the viewer in a minute. Okay, let's wait a sec. Great. Actually, open the session viewer first, then continue. Okay, amazing. So now we get the viewer, so we can see what Cloud Code is actually doing live on the website. So you see right now, we just open our own console, and it's going to actually go there and try to log in. And so, as you can see here in the logs of the Cloud Code, so Cloud Code is performing action on the web page. It's going there, clicking, doing some waits, opening screenshots and taking screenshots. So it's actually using and leveraging the whole context of the browser to reason about the next action to take. And so you see right now it's going there on the console. And so I told Cloud Code to use the persona. And so, yeah, Cloud Code just created the persona there. So what a persona is, it's a digital identity. So it allows Cloud Code to get access to a mailbox. So now you see it has access to this specific mailbox so that it can get sign-in codes. And that's going to allow Cloud Code to log in on our behalf on the platform without having to interfere with any, a mailbox or just typical, 2FA flows. So it's actually very simple. It's the best way to log into web pages right now. And so, as you can see, if we go back there, so we created a persona. So persona has also a name. And so you'll see in the next step, it's going to fill the onboarding using the persona's email and credentials and name and last name. So you see here, it got the magic link from the mailbox. And so it's able to actually perform the onboarding. So we can wait a few seconds just to make sure it can actually fill it. Let's wait a few seconds. So there's onboarding flow. Okay, perfect. So it's performing there. So let's actually stop it here to not make it too long. So I'm going to just exit there and stop the Notte session. Okay, great. So I know you see we're able to use the Notte CLI with Cloud Code to create very simply a web automation. And we can use actually the Notte CLI to deploy that in the cloud. And so you can use that for any web automation need and just test it out and let us know what you think.